So if you hear a lot of bear talk, it's because the first night we cooked a bunch of salmon and we had like 3 bears in the camp.
Perfect, yeah.
Like one strolled right through, then later on at night, we could see their eyes like gleaming like 20 feet away from us while we were relieving ourselves.
Probably okay, just go straight. There? Maybe a little further, but that's pretty good, yeah. Yeah. First time you're gonna hit that big rock over there. Yeah, with the angle that my truck was tilted down, I couldn't see that at all. Well, I'm glad you listened.
Should help.
Thank you,
kind
sir.
sir.
That would be great.
See, this is how it starts at. Took off the safety catches.
Oh, god damn it. What? You took off the safety catch?
Well, I like to be prepared.
Okay, let's go.
Don't want to take an untested weapon into battle. Not that I've actually done.
If I get a face full of bear mace, I'm going to be upset.
Yeah, I think that's one of the worst experiences we could have on this camping trip, besides actually being eaten by a bear.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Definitely up there.
Just imagine the views, though.
I'd rather not have those views.
I'd rather have my own.
Yeah.
Not blinding agony.
Firm agree.
And I like the fishing out in the truck down there better.
Yeah, it's way farther away.
Yeah, makes me feel a little better.
That's the most level my truck has been this whole trip. Hot. Cheers, Austin, buddy. This is for you.
Cheers, Austin.
Cheers.
Mother Nature is cheersing with thunder. That's pretty ballin'. The back screen on?
No.
Yeah, I don't think either screen is on at this point. If you want to reset it, Ed, you hit the top button, it'll turn off, and then hit the top button again. When it turns on, make sure the countdown timer shows up.
I mean, probably, right?
It looks like it's gonna get pretty bad.
Yeah, it looks like we're about to get hit.
Yeah.
Good mother load.
Yeah.
Call it? I'm okay with calling it.
Yeah, I think so. It looks like it's gonna get pretty gnarly soon.
I agree. Just got a bunch of water from fire.
Austin, we tried, buddy. It's very rainy. We'll try again.